After spending 2 years on the drawing board, we are here this morning to mark the beginning of the fulfillment of an NDC manifesto pledge to add 2 more public universities to the existing 5. There has been a growing demand for human resources in science and technology. And in response, we have decided to establish a university which will provide us with highly skilled and mobile workforce in science and technology for the future. The establishment of this university also aims at increasing access to tertiary education. Many were those who doubted that this day would ever come, but it is here with us. And tomorrow, I'll be in Sunyani to cut the sword for the commencement of work on the University of Energy and Natural Resources. The University of Health and Allied Sciences will be located in Ho, but with campus in Hohoi. There will be 8 schools, 1 faculty, and 2 institutes. We will be starting with the nursing and midwifery school. There will also be the sports and exercise medicine school. In this connection, we have been fortunate to identify a number of facilities which we can use to start the university. In this connection, the whole sports stadium is going to be refurbished. And turned into a sports complex to help with the School of Exercise and Medical Sciences. We also intend to upgrade the whole regional hospital, the Hohoi District Hospital, then the Oncopsychiatric laboratories, so that they can provide us with the office and laboratories and the classrooms that we need for the operation of the university. As has been announced, the establishment of the university will be in 2 phases. There are 2 reasons for this. We want to ensure the efficient utilization of resources. And secondly, we want to ensure the maintenance of high academic standards. Indeed, I'm happy that the NDC government has been able to come this far. And previous speakers expressed their appreciation to the NDC government for giving Volta region a university. Whilst I know that it is customary to express appreciation, I want to tell you, you deserve it. You don't have to thank anybody for it. If we are doing this, one of the major reasons is that we want to equalize opportunities. We want to have an equitable distribution of the resources of our dear nation. And Volta region deserves a university. Indeed, I believe that If this university had been in existence, Tobega Afede would not have come to Legon and to a university in the US. He would have started at the university in Volta region. Now, before we cut the sword, I think it's only appropriate that I express my deepest gratitude to the landowners in both Ho and Hohoi who are giving us the land. When mention was made of this, I turned to the Minister of Education and I said, this time round, let us make sure that people do not encroach on the land that we are going to be given. It has been a practice in certain areas, and we should learn from the experiences of other institutions. The second reason also, my second debt of gratitude goes to members of the task force, Professor Sefadede and Dr. Amwakuniama especially, who have championed the planning and brought us this far. They have spent hours on the planning. And then my gratitude also goes to the other members of the task force and the planning committee. But I want to tell them that we have not finished the work. It is only beginning. We have to see to the conclusion of what we have started. I also want to thank the chiefs and people of this region for the support and your understanding. This has made it possible for us to put things together. And I am grateful for the huge numbers which have turned out. But I should also, and this was something I should have done at the very beginning, I am informed that as early as 9 a.m. you were gathered here. I want to ask for your forgiveness. Just as I was about to come, I had to meet a delegation from some other country. So Togbeo, Mamao, I ask that you pardon me for allowing you to sit in the sun for so long. It is my hope and prayer that together we will build this university to make it the envy of all Ghanaians, and that people in Volta region can be proud of this university. I know, and I'm not surprised, that Volta region has a number of university professors and other academics. So getting the staff for this university should not be difficult. And indeed, when some of us retire from the university, from public service, we'll come and join you in the university. Tobega, honorable ministers, Togbeo, Mamao, my brothers and sisters, the glory should be to God for making it possible. And I know that he will make it possible for us to finish what we have begun.